How to delete your account from YouTube. Hi everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete your account from YouTube. To do this, you have to first of all open the YouTube application on your device. You could use a web version. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. After you're logged into your account, then what next you want to do is here, you simply want to click on the use section from the bottom right corner of your screen. So after you're taken to this page, you click on view channel, and this is going to take you to the next field where you need to go ahead and click on settings and go to channel advanced settings. After you go to the channel advanced settings, then you want to simply select delete my account or content, and then select the boxes to confirm that you want to delete your channel as well. Then next thing, you want to select delete my content, confirm it, and this is the way you could delete your account from YouTube. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.